In this video, we will explore Docker health checks and how they can be used to enhance the reliability and resilience of your containerized applications. We'll focus on adding health monitoring to your containers. Docker health checks allow you to automatically monitor the status of your containers, ensuring that they are running as expected and are in a healthy state. Let's dive in to see how this is achieved. Health checks are important for several reasons. First, they provide early detection of failing containers, often before end users experience any issues. This proactive approach allows you to address problems quickly and minimize downtime. Second, health checks enable automatic recovery by automatically restarting unhealthy containers, helping to maintain continuous uptime. By automating these processes, you can ensure your applications remain available and reliable. Let's examine the basic syntax for defining health checks in a Dockerfile. The key instruction is health check followed by options and the command to execute. For example, health check, interval equals 30s, timeout equals 3s cmd curl, http://localhost exit 1. Here, interval specifies how often the check runs, timeout sets the maximum execution time, and cmd specifies the command. A zero exit code indicates a healthy container, and any other value will be treated as unhealthy. Let's go over a simple example of how to add a health check to a web application using a Dockerfile. First, start with the base image like Jinx Alpine. Then, use the health check instruction to define your check. Here's an example. Health check, interval equals 30s, timeout equals 10s, start period equals 5s, retries equals 3 cmd curl http://localhost 80/exit 1. Finally, copy your application files into the image. This setup ensures that Docker periodically checks if the web application is running correctly by sending a request to the root path. Docker health checks come with several parameters to fine-tune their behavior. The interval parameter specifies the time between health checks, with a default of 30 seconds. The timeout parameter sets the maximum time a health check can take to complete, also defaulting to 30 seconds. The start period parameter provides a grace period before the first health check, defaulting to 0 seconds, allowing the application time to initialize. The retries parameter determines how many failed attempts are needed before a container is considered unhealthy, defaulting to 3 retries. Here's an example of implementing an HTTP health check for a Flask application in Docker. Start by specifying the base image such as Python 3.9-slim. Install the required Python packages using pip. Define the health check using the health check instruction. The command executes a Python script that sends an HTTP request to the /health endpoint of the Flask application. This setup ensures the container is healthy only if the Flask application responds correctly to HTTP requests. Here's an example of a database health check using PostgreSQL. We start with the Postgres version 13 image. Use the health check instruction to define the check. The command uses pg_isReady, a utility for checking the connection status of a PostgreSQL server. The parameters user, database, etc. are obtained from the environment variables. This setup ensures that the container is marked as healthy only if it can successfully connect to the PostgreSQL database. You can also define health checks in your docker-compose.yml file. Under the service definition, add a health check section. Specify the test command as a list, along with the interval, timeout, retries, and start period. The test command here uses curl to check if the application is running. This configuration allows Docker Compose to monitor and manage the health of your services, restarting them if they become unhealthy. To view the health check status of your containers, use the docker ps command, which displays the current status in the health column. For more detailed information, use the docker inspect command with the format flag to display the health status, including the last checks log and result. These commands provide insights into the health of your containers, helping you monitor and maintain your applications effectively. When implementing health checks, keep a few best practices in mind. Keep the checks lightweight by using minimal resources and fast executing commands to avoid impacting performance. Test real dependencies, such as database connections and external services, to ensure comprehensive monitoring. Set proper timeouts to balance responsiveness and reliability. Use a start period to allow your application enough time for initialization before health checks begin. Following these practices ensures your health checks are effective and efficient. If your health checks are not working as expected, there are several ways to troubleshoot them. Start by viewing the container logs using Docker logs container_name to identify any errors or issues. You can also run the health check command manually inside the container using docker exec container_name /bin/g curl f http://localhost exit1 to verify its behavior. These steps can help you diagnose and resolve common health check problems. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.